If you feel that you don't have the right space or the right background for your content, you feel that your space is not aesthetically pleasing enough, look at the competition of aesthetics going on around the background of people these days, and you think that you need to change your background. Guys, this background is fake. So in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to create this kind of background using just 2 free apps on your own mobile phone. So you too can have a good aesthetic background without having to be in that particular space. Just create your own background, even though it's fake, but your audience will love it and they want to watch your content. So what you will learn in this video will help you exactly create what I have created, or even better, a background for yourself and your video. And you will even be able to teach others. So I'm going to need you to do a few things for me. First, you need a steady stand for your camera or your phone. For instance, if you're using a camera, you need a tripod, or you need somewhere to place that camera, whether it's on books, whether it's on a table or whatever. But don't allow someone hold the camera for you. Make sure it's standing on something, somewhere that it will not shake. Currently, I'm using a phone. So if you're using a phone, you can use a tripod, you can use a stand, you can use any kind of stand that nobody is holding. Another thing is your lighting. Please make sure that you have very fantastic light on your skin, because it will help to highlight the image. Whether you're using artificial light or you're using natural light, or you're using both, it doesn't matter. The most important thing is for the light to shine on your skin and make you aesthetically pleasing. Another thing is to stay in a steady position. If you're used to my channel, you know that I'm not someone that knows how to stay in a steady position. I move my body while I talk a lot, right? But for the purpose of this video, I had to consciously make an effort not to move that much in this video in order to be able to get the perfect outcome for this video. Because when you move too much, guys, it's just give you away. So we want it to look all natural. Then number 4 thing is for you to get a plain background, whether the background is white, black, whatever color, because it's always easy to edit, so much easier to edit when you're using a plain background. Now, if you're wearing all of black, like I'm currently wearing black, my background is white. So it's a major contrast, right? So when I want to edit it, it will be so easy to edit. It's easier to edit when you're wearing a contrast to your background. That being out of the way, let us go right into the edit. The first app you're going to need is your Canva app. If you don't have this app, please download it. Then you type in YouTube thumbnail just to get the size that is recommended by YouTube. Then when it gives you your option, you click blank. When it gives you blank, you click element. When you get to element, scroll down to AI image generator, and then you're going to click generate image. As soon as you click generate image, give it exactly the idea on your mind. For instance, I typed a desk with 3 MacBook sets, wall frames, flowers, and all of that. It's going to generate your image for you. That's what it's doing right now. And the images it will bring is 4 different images. You have options to pick, and you also have options to regenerate if you don't like those ideas. But I like this one, so I'm picking one of the ideas that has been generated. Okay, so I'm picking this one on the top right. Now that we have it, I'm trying to fit it into the 1619 recommended space that we have already picked earlier. I'm going to make sure that it fits the exact frame that I need. And yes, I love what it looks like. If you don't like the outcome, go back and regenerate again, or describe another idea entirely. It's going to give you exactly what you need. From here on, I'm going to click the download button, and it's going to save exactly into my camera roll. Now, if you don't have a CapCut app, you need to go download that. Go into your CapCut app, take the picture that we just saved, import it into the app. I have multiple pictures here. You will see the options that I've generated before. I generated it earlier, I generated this, and I generated this, but we are using this for the purpose of this tutorial. Okay, so now that I've downloaded it into the app, I'm going to click on overlay. Right, then I'll pick the video that I need to use for this, the video that has been pre-recorded. So I've picked that, and it's an overlay. Now you see that the length is not the same, so I'm going to drag the length of that picture to fit the length of the overlay, that is the video. Now that is the exact size of the video, I'm going to go back to the beginning. I'm going to click on that overlay, that is my video, and I'll click on remove background option. When it gives me this option, it's going to automatically remove the background between 0 to 100%. While that is going on, Since it's an automatic process, I'll go back to the basics. You can see it's already on 41%. Now I'm not going to stop there. I'm going to make sure that it looks like exactly what I'm actually working to get. Now that I've seen that it looks that way, I'm going to click on effect. Now when you click the effect button, you are going to search for lens. When you click lens, you're going to search for blur. When you get to blur, then you click the adjust, because you're going to adjust your blurriness if it is what you want. Okay, if you don't want to make it blurry, it may look a little bit artificial, but when it's blurry, you're going to get the kind of effect that you need. Okay, I think this might work. Okay, now this is the video I'm working with, and that is what you're seeing me do right here. So here you have it. You guys can also replicate this or even do better than I am doing right now. You have so much options. Now that you have learned how to create your own aesthetically pleasing space or background or environment for your video content, I hope that your viewers will find your content very, very pleasing. And I hope that you subscribe, like, share this content so that more people can see it, so that YouTube can promote it, and turn on your post notifications so that you can get more interesting tips like this one. Happy content creating, guys.